TestMate provides an automated testing process for video endpoints, calendar integration, and integrations for both the webex and Microsoft CVI meetings. So why use TestMate? Automate testing of video endpoints remotely. Verify everything is working before critical meetings, and more. There are 3 test plans: Calendar Scheduled webex test plan, Calendar Scheduled Microsoft CVI test plan, or the static dial-in test plan to test any other video bridge. So how does it work? Let's do a demo. Let's start with creating the TestMate Cloud video test run. Set the meeting name. This is what will appear in the calendar invite and for the one button to push toast. Select the meeting method. This is either Webex Calendar Connector or Microsoft CVI. We will use Webex Calendar Connector. Specify the value for location. For today, we will use @Webex and will use the PMR for the user selected. We will also set mute devices and remove meeting after test run. There are now quite a few timers. These may need to be adjusted if there are some delays for calendar processing. Select the MSFT graph interface. These are the credentials that are used for the Microsoft APIs to look up users and create calendar invitations. Note that there can be multiple interfaces to support multiple Office 365 organizations. Select the calendar user that will create the invite. Note that this can be restricted to only permit specific only users using ACLs. Select the Webex interface to be used to find video endpoints that are either Webex registered or Webex Edge enabled. Note that there can be multiple Webex interfaces for multiple Webex organizations. Press the Sync Now button to download the list of video devices and their registration status. Press Find Endpoint to show a list of devices, and then add devices to the test plan. Note that Webex registered devices in personal mode are not supported at this time. Set the duration for packet stats and if Webex meeting stats should be collected. Note there is a delay until the Webex meeting qualities, meeting stats, become available. And start the test run. You will now see the test run with the details for the meeting up the top, then each of the endpoints. As the test run progresses, you will see feedback for each of the checks that TestMate does, as well as various statuses. You will now see that the packet stats have been collected, and the calls are torn down. You can now see the endpoint packet statistics, including traffic lights for call quality. Note that the Webex meeting quality stats are not present at this time. They will be populated when available. That can be up to 5 minutes after the meeting ends. And that's it.